Okay, we got Edge out here at our state police fields today doing something a little different in a brand new location for him. We'll see how he handles working with Brandon on an off-site area. This is also a new decoy for him. This is somebody he's not very familiar with. So working with no equipment there. Very nice little swap at the arm. Ooh. Nice. Phasing off the equipment. Something as we progress with him that we work a little bit more and more. We need the equipment for sparring safety, but with the goal being personal protection, we don't want to become too dependent on it either.
Yeah. Watch him. Yeah, watch him.
Nice. Very good thump right there.
I'll send him this time. Do a little escape bite. Yeah, get him.
You see right there, he's looking right over top of that sleeve. Took a big chunk of that arm right there. Nice. Okay, that's Edge working off-site.